Of course, it's a great way of recognition, and it's a great way of celebrating, all dynamic, audacious, glamorous people, and so looking forward to it.
So, has your lifestyle changed after marriage, or is it remain the same?
Well, lifestyle in terms of, there are a lot of changes, but a lot of positive changes which have happened, and certainly happy about that.
So, a lot of fans of Asan are also looking forward to welcome back. Will it happen in time, or how do you see it?
Oh, that is that's a question which you ask to her. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Kanika, looking absolutely dazzling. Who are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing a Beirut-based designer.
All right. You met the Royals yesterday. How was the meeting like? What was the conversation that happened between?
Well, I'm a part of the Elephant family, which is a part of the Prince's Trust, run by Prince Charles, and I'm an ambassador for the British Asian Trust. So we spoke about that. We spoke about the new chapters that we're working on in India and there. So yeah, very proudly to be British Asian, and no, we didn't perform, but I was a part of the event. Well, next I have a song in Urta, Punjab. The teaser is just coming out, just came out today. The song is very interesting. It's on Alia. I cannot. But I have to say it's a very different song from what I generally do. So Amit Trivedi's done a little, I'm trying to do some different work. And about 4 more songs in May. So April, May. Well, I have lots of offers, but I haven't thought about it yet. I'm very busy doing music and more. Sexiest, Amitabh Bachchan. Well, you have to walk the talk. So maybe you should not do an endorsement if you don't believe in the product. So no, I don't think it's a good move. No. Well, it depends. I think it's very personal. I would not endorse anything I don't believe in myself. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm wearing Monique Louye. If I'm winning awards, then I love awards. I will be signing soon. So as soon as I sign, you guys will be the first to know. In my handbag? Chocolate. I always have chocolate in my bag. Music. And my Maybelline lip balm, baby lips. I always have it with me. Thank you.
Hello guys, evening. Thank you. I'm wearing Shantanu and Nikhil. I was going to say Gaurav Gupta then because I wore that on Saturday, but no, this is Shantanu and Nikhil tonight. That was a leaked photo, so I think that wasn't supposed to go out, but it's a fantastic look. And the rest of the characters and Rajnikant and myself, we all have really extreme different looks. And Akshay has showcased his already, which is exciting. Wow. Obviously, I've heard the narration. And I've been over to LA. I've worked with the guys who've created the costume. But to see it in real life and in the pictures makes it even more special, I think. I can't tell you. That's a big secret, and I can't reveal too much about my character. But again, it's very different. Nothing seen before. Lovely. This is the second time I've walked for Hello. I think maybe 4 years ago I attended the Hello Awards. So it's nice to be back, and it's a really prestigious award, and I'm excited to see how the winners get on. The stylish actors and actors of Bollywood, I think there's a vast variety. I think Sonam's the staple stylish queen of Bollywood, to be fair. And the guys, I think there's a lot of stylish guys. Varun Dhawan has great style. Salman Khan has, effortless style. So I think there's a few really dapper guys also. I have love, but that's with my movies, so I'm very happy with that at the moment. That doesn't cross my mind at the moment. Because I'm too busy with this place and what's happening here, and it's taken over my life, which is good. I met a lot of interesting people, but none that have drawn me away from my career at the moment. I don't want to talk about that. Thank you. That's already started, actually. We started shooting last month here in Mumbai, and in a couple of days we leave for Delhi, and we do the majority of the schedule there, so I'm very excited to act with him. Absolutely awesome. He's an actor who really draws you in, and to do scenes with him and see how he performs and how he acts on set, it's really inspiring, so he's definitely a motivation for me. You know what? I go on sexiness by somebody's eyes, so if you've got some charisma in your eyes, then that's enough for me. मैं हिंदी सीख के रहूँगी, and obviously with Sohail's film, I have to speak really good Hindi, and with Nawaz obviously. So with me with my English and Nawaz with his Hindi, we're trying to really communicate. Thank you.
What to say?
The lifestyle,
What do I say? You tell me what to say. You talk about me. Okay? I have come. You talk about Rishi Kapoor.
so when you made your debut in Bollywood, you were seen as a style icon. You were a trendsetter at that time. How did it feel then? Even your friends?
You don't think I'm handsome now?
So that's what I'm talking about. No. My question is starting from then to now, even if you're a trendsetter even today, we don't figure with now red carpet. How does it feel, sir?
Feels great. It feels great that I'm in front of a battery of cameras. I've got people asking me questions, and a younger one wants to know more of my son, not about me. You should be asking questions about me. When I am on an occasion, you ask about me, not my son. So that's it. Thank you. I have no style statement. I am what I am. I don't have a figure to have any style, but whatever I am, I am. That is what I am.
So your performance in Kapoor and Sons was highly appreciated.
I am thankful about that. Thank you very much.
What's coming up next?
I'm also thinking about that. What's coming up next? Because I am looking for something that I could do some justice to.
So there are very few roles that you have to even test the kind of acting abilities that you have, or something like that. What else could be there in the pipeline?
I don't know. My work was because of my director. We made a good film. That's about all. And it was a team effort. We all were very good in the film. And thankfully, the audience has also liked it. Thank you very much. Let me enjoy my evening now, please. Thank you. Yes, it's long overdue. It's ready, more or less ready. It's only that I have to part with some photographs, and I'm not ready with the photographs to be parted with. So that's the only delay. We don't know as yet. I wanted to keep that, son of a famous father, father of a famous son, but it was too long for the book, so I kept it on my Twitter, what do you call it? There, I put it on my Twitter. Okay, let me go now, okay? Thanks. Sorry. Where do we go? Thank you.
Hello. Thank you. Yeah, it's amazing. I mean, this is the first time I'm attending it, so I'm feeling really nice and amazing. I mean, I really want to get in there and have a look. I don't know. I mean, it's just that I just feel like keeping it simple. Whatever makes you comfortable, and that's it. I mean, that's my style. बेस्ट एक्टर यार मेरे हिसाब से मैं ज़्यादा ना ब्लैक और वाइट में ही बहुत पहनता हूँ. सो आई थिंक शाहरुख सर इज़ वन एक्टर जिनको मैं समझता हूँ कि बहुत अच्छे, और वो काफ़ी ब्लैक्स और काफ़ी वाइट्स पहनते हैं. एंड एक्ट्रेस में आई थिंक कंगना रनौत. मतलब यार स्पेशली प्यार का पंचनामा ऐसी फिल्म है ना जिसके बाद बनता नहीं है कि लड़की के साथ वॉक करूंगा ना, तो आई थिंक वो ही मारेंगी मेरे को. तो हाँ क्या बात कर रहे हो? नहीं हाँ ऐसा एक्चुअली हेलो अवार्ड्स. पैक्ड? Oh, acha. I think, yeah, I mean, it's fun. I mean, I'm in this industry and I'm lucky to be a part of this, and so is being clicked, being, being written about. This is a part and parcel of this industry, and I love it. So, I mean, I have no qualms about it.
Also, do you have any particular nomination that you're really looking forward to?
I don't know. I've been, this year has been lucky for me. Because of प्यार का पंचनामा, and apart from that fashion and style में थोड़ा धीरे आगे बढ़ता रहूँगा, and उसके अलावा acting में थोड़ा से nominations वगैरह हैं, so I'm really happy for the past year and this year. जी I mean, wow, that's amazing यार. काफ़ी मेहनत लगती है. I think I am a foodie. मैं खुद मतलब ना खाना और weight lose करना बहुत it takes a toll on you. I mean, so hats off to him. 100 kilos अगर कम किए उन्होंने, and I think I saw the pictures. He transformed into something else, which is good. So yeah, really good. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi. Thank you. I'm wearing Sheila Khan tonight. She styled me. Lovely. I love the name firstly. So I'm like, hello. I think it's a wonderful magazine, and yeah, I'm excited to be here tonight. I think female में से मुझे I like Kangana, she's very edgy, and male I think someone who's really dapper and daring would be Ranveer Singh. So yeah. Really good, yes. The film has wrapped up, and you guys I'm sure have seen the teaser, right? Of course, but we'll discuss it closer to the release of the film. It's too early to speak about it, yeah. It's too early to speak about it. But yeah, we've completed shooting and it's gone really well, so excited to see the film. Anees Bazmi, no, I'm not signed. Yeah? Yeah. Actually, हाँ. मैं अनंत को बचपन से जानती हूँ. I've seen him grow up actually, and I'm really impressed. I think he's really changed the name of determination, and he's proved it. So he's done really well for himself, and I'm so happy to see him looking all fit and handsome right now. Okay, thank you. See you. Hello, how are you?
वेरी क्वाइट है, तुम लोग बहुत दूर हो आज. ऐसा क्या हुआ? एवरीबडी वेरी वेल बिहेव टुडे. आई एम फीलिंग ये हमने सीलिंग क्रॉस कर लिया तो सब एकदम से इस तरफ हो गए. Well, everybody really coming in to have lots of fun, well dressed, and yeah, intrigued to know what the polls have resulted in. How did matlab it's a film? Somebody wrote a film and somebody wants to direct it. Is it Hrithik Roshan's shoes? How? Oh, I wasn't aware. I don't know. It's still we're in talks. It's not as and when the things for Ashiki 3 get finalized, we'll announce it. अभी सिर्फ बातें चल रही हैं और अभी काम चल रहा है. There are talks with the production house, at least with me. Baki, they'll have to take a call who is there. It's in a very early stages. Obviously, yeah, obviously. I'm getting a chance to work with Mohit again, which I'm very excited with. I met him on the film, and Bhatt Saab ne bhi jo quote diya tha. And yeah, I think it's too early to talk about anything else apart from that. But we're super excited. Maybe I'll be, I don't know, trying my hand at singing. Definitely, I've liked Ashiki 2 and I like Mohit Suri. So, two things. It's a great franchise, great director, and we'll have some outstanding music for sure. So, we're hopefully locking all the content and script and have a wonderful story to shoot. Katrina and I just finished Baar Baar Dekho. We're almost finishing Baar Baar Dekho. I think it's a great concept level love story. Working with her has been a learning experience. Ki after I think doing various kind of roles also, still coming in with a lot of effort. She's extremely hardworking, extremely finicky, if I may say, about about finicky in a good way, about doing the scene, about how she wants to do about it, how maybe even the other things surrounded with it, other elements surrounded with acting, and which we might think that some people might take it easy, but she's never laid back and she's always on top of her game. And yeah, so I think it was great working with Katrina, and I'm sure people will enjoy us. Any what? Sorry? Love advice. I have no such love advice. Sorry, man. I'm not a love guru. अच्छा, पता नहीं करण सर से पूछिए, वो हमारे प्रोड्यूसर है, एंड he's produced the film Kapoor and Sons. I think उनके हम सभी उनके फेवरेट है. Everybody from Ratna sir, Raju sir, Rishi sir, Shakun Batra, Fawad, me, and now film is successful, so definitely I think he's loving all of us. But if it is, I think it's Mr. Karan Johar to answer. He stood up. He was against his own brands.
Yeah, basically they didn't deliver according to what they promised. So he said that the brand should stand up.
Well, I think then it's fair, but if you get into a brand when they promise you something, then if you don't get delivered, then I feel I don't know I'm not aware of what the problem is, but then I feel it's fair. Otherwise, every actor is aware of what he's endorsing and what communication they're trying to give. Yeah, so I think, and also, but it's sometimes you guys have to be easy on us because we're just representing the brand. I'm not making the product or delivering it. We are just being a face for something. So yeah, take it easy on Mr. Dhoni. It'll be very exciting. I wish I could speak a language apart from Hindi or English very fluently. I know a little bit of Punjabi. Even though my mom is Adani, she'll hate me for it to not know full fluent Punjabi. So first I will take lessons, but it'll be very interesting to do maybe a Punjabi film. हाँ जी. हाँ, मैंने देखा सलमान सर ने ट्वीट किया उनके साथ एंड आई थिंक इट्स कमेंडेबल. मुझे भी पता है लाइक वी कीप हम लोग अलग अलग पिक्चरों के लिए वजन बढ़ाते हैं घटाते हैं. एक डेडिकेशन चाहिए होती है, एक एक किस्म का एक फोकस चाहिए होता है. And even I was really happy to see his photo, even though I don't know him personally, but hats off to him to lose so much weight. Yeah, best of luck and stay healthy and give that energy out to people. Definitely, मैं उनको मिला नहीं हूँ, मैंने फोटो देखा तो शॉकिंग वही है जो 108 लूज करना है, बहुत शॉकिंग है. हाँ, यहाँ पे पसीने निकल जाते हैं और दम निकल जाता है. तो hats off to him and as in stay healthy and stay fit. Yeah. All right, thank you guys. See you. Bye.
Guys, hi. Very good. Well, it feels great because Hello Awards, Hello Magazine is one of those very light-hearted magazine which focuses on, be it like travel or, fashion, celebrities, newborn babies, and all sorts of all those gossips. So yeah, it's one of my most favorite magazine. Well, the style statement today is very, very sleek, very simple, and yet very edgy. Sorry? What? Regional film? Regional film, I've already done one regional film, like a South film, opposite South superstar Darshan. Yeah. Yes. See, well, Great Grand Masti, I'm so very happy to play according to my director, I'm the hero of the film, and to play the solo heroine, it's definitely, I'm really looking forward to it. It's definitely one of the most meatiest and challenging role I've ever done. And this is my third film. I'm really very excited, and my character is inspired by what Ajay Devgan did in part 1. So, Great Grand Masti, yeah. Yeah. So it's like I play the girlfriend of all three guys, and you definitely have to go and watch for it.
Also, Urvashi, the newly named Miss India, what message do you have?
To the new reigning Miss Indias? Well, the moment I was there at Femina Miss India that day, I was very sure that that girl is going to win. And finally, when I saw the papers, because I wasn't there for the entire event, but I knew that she's going to win. Yeah, she's really, and I just want to tell them that all the very best. And this is once in a lifetime opportunity, so utilize it to the fullest. Well, it's only because of pure hard work and dedication, and I'm a very sports fitness enthusiast myself, so hats off to Anant, what he has done, yeah. Yes, it is very difficult, but to be able to do such a, as I said, that it's quite impossible, but with his hard work and dedication, he was able to do that. And as he used to do, I believe he used to work out for 5 to 6 hours a day. So yeah, it is possible. Everything is possible in life. Yes, if you have conviction and dedication, right. Thank you, guys. Okay.
Thank you. I'm wearing a Delhi designer, Dolly J. And yeah, it's a beautiful vintage piece. So it's really nice. I think it's Hello Awards are always kind of very unique, very very special, and so it's very tastefully done. And I've come for Hello. Being an actress, I think Sonam is fantastic. She's just amazing how she transforms every time she comes out in public. I think all her appearances, I love it. I think she's my personal favorite. Yeah. There are not too many taking any chances. They all look good in their suits, I think Ranveer, just for being so crazy and taking all that risk that he does, I think it's just so much fun to watch. I'm going to start doing a film called Banduk Baz, which got left last year. So we ran into a bit of a date trouble, and we're going to start shooting for that again now with Nawaz. And then there is a film called Band of Maharajas, where I'm playing a Pakistani singer, musician. We start shooting for that in May. Yeah, and there's another one, so hopefully that one works out. That should be the biggie. Ji. I think this is like a national discussion. Everybody's talking about it. But I think it is phenomenal. Unbelievable, the kind of change that he's managed. I mean, we try and lose 5 kgs, usme itni mushkil ho jati hai. What he's managed is seriously an unbelievable thing. Shocking. I didn't even know if it was the same person. I thought morphed a picture. I seriously thought that somebody morphed the picture. God, congratulations to him. Big congratulations. See, why not? Maybe. I haven't thought about that. You really caught me in that one. But maybe, I guess, if something nice comes up, we'll see. Yeah. Thank you. There's only...
शुक्रिया। ये क्रिटिक्स चॉइस अवार्ड है नीरजा के लिए, एक्टिंग के लिए आई गेस। तो बहुत ही खुशनसीबी है मेरी कि मुझे इस फिल्म के लिए एक अवार्ड मिला है, क्योंकि मैं गर्व से कह सकती हूँ कि ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन फिल्म है और मेरे काम को बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया है। पर लाइक आई सेड, आई एम अ डायरेक्टर्स एक्टर, और जो भी अवार्ड्स मुझे फिल्म में मिलते हैं, आई कैन नॉट टेक क्रेडिट फॉर इट। आई वुड लाइक टू गिव क्रेडिट टू एवरीबडी इन्वॉल्व्ड। थैंक यू। बहुत सारे एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, फेवरेट स्टाइल अच्छा ही लगता है कोई अच्छा बोले तो अच्छा ही लगता है। मेरे अलावा आई थिंक सब बहुत ही स्टाइलिश हैं आजकल, सब बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगते हैं, बहुत ही खूबसूरत कपड़े पहनते हैं और इंडस्ट्री में सब खूबसूरत ही हैं। हाँ जी। I am not aware of this, but I only endorse brands that I believe in, and we are like-minded. So I've never had any issues with my brands.
Thank you.
I think मैंने भी बहुत वेट कम किया है, एक स्ट्रगल होता है हर रोज़, तो ये बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है एंड ये बहुत खुशी की बात है। ही इज़ अ यंग बॉय एंड इज़ लुकिंग वेरी गुड। थैंक यू। No, I haven't signed anything yet. Nobody's giving me work. That's what everybody in the industry is saying. Thank you. Thank you everybody. It's getting hot here. Have you been getting something to drink here now?
मेरे को मत सिखाओ यार।
I'll be back.
Oh shit. Sorry.
I love this. It looks nice in the stand. Is that it? Then I have to adjust my dress and then you take the shower. Yeah. Okay, wait, I have to adjust my... Should we? Is Amit here? Thank you.
ये सत्या
अमित जी भाई, अमित जी, फोटो, अमित जी,